What is an Ohio OVI administrative license suspension? I'm Sean Dominy. I'm an Ohio OVI lawyer, and this video is going to answer that question. In Ohio law, there's a principle known as implied consent. And what that means is, if you operate a vehicle on the roads of Ohio, you have implicitly consented to take a breath, blood, or urine test if you're arrested for OVI. So if you're arrested and the officer asks you to take one of those tests, an administrative suspension may be imposed in one of two circumstances. One, if you refuse to take the test, and two, if the test result is over the limit. Either way, an administrative license suspension will be imposed. The length of the administrative license suspension depends on different variables. For example, if this is the first time you've refused a test within the last 10 years, then the administrative license suspension is 1 year. If you take the test and it's over the limit and you don't have any prior convictions in the last 10 years, then the administrative license suspension is 90 days. But the length of the suspension increases based on each refusal and/or conviction in the last 10 years. If you've been subjected to an administrative license suspension, there are two ways to challenge it. First, you can file an appeal, and there are 4 bases for appealing the suspension. And second, you can file a motion to terminate the suspension, which gives you additional ways that you may have the suspension terminated. If you have been subjected to an administrative license suspension and charged with an OVI, I know that can be overwhelming. And so what I recommend is that before taking any action, you educate yourself first. These videos are a good way to do that, and another good way is to check out my website. The website has dozens of pages about OVI topics, and it also has an ebook which you can download for free directly from the website. So as you educate yourself, I hope that you find all of these resources are helpful.